BMW America used Sysoft Web Application Framework and SaaS portals powered by generative AI to bring insights into manufacturing processes and parts compatibility. Sysoft Web Application Framework and SaaS portals powered by generative AI can identify and process reengineer manufacturing workflow. Provisioning and parts compatibility linked to eProcurement, contract administration, demand forecasting, nonlinear convex optimization of resource, demand, and intelligent spend analytics can provide incredible efficiency, cost savings, and process flexibilities. Sysoft Web Application Framework and its generative AI modules won the Silicon Valley's Best Innovation Award. Sysoft SaaS products and services can provide optimized streamlined processes.